Welcome to Marina de Funchal, the vibrant heart of Madeira's waterfront. Located right in the city center, this marina is a hub for leisure, sailing, and stunning ocean views. Take a stroll along the promenade and enjoy the lively atmosphere, with yachts and boats gently swaying in the Atlantic breeze. It's the perfect spot to relax, soak up the sun, and watch the world go by. Around the marina, you'll find plenty of cafés, bars, and restaurants serving fresh seafood and local specialties. Whether you're here for a quick coffee or a romantic dinner by the water, there's something for everyone. Marina de Funchal is also a starting point for exciting adventures, from whale and dolphin watching tours to deep-sea fishing and sailing trips. It's where the ocean meets unforgettable experiences. If you're visiting Funchal, don't miss this beautiful waterfront destination, Marina de Funchal, where the city meets the sea.